Hello everybody, welcome to our next how-to video from Greenpointe. Okay, today we wanted to share with you how to adjust the Primatech Nail Gun. This same adjustment works on their 550 and the 250 series. So all the tools will come with a Allen wrench right on them. So you remove that wrench, that will work. Every screw on this machine is operated by this same Allen wrench. So the first thing you're going to need to do is release or loosen the two set screws. You got one on this side and a matching one on this side. So step one, loosen those two set screws for your height adjustment. Then the thing I find works the best is turn it upside down, take a piece of your flooring, a short piece of your flooring, lay it up there, and rotate this cam to get that to exactly where you want it in height. Now what you're looking for is you want just a little bit of daylight between the top of the tongue and the spot where you can see the nail comes out. So you want just a little bit of daylight between here and the tongue and a little bit of daylight between here and the face of the board. So right now what we're adjusting is the height, so that's going to be this area. So once that's set, then you just tighten your two set screws and the height is adjusted. So step one, loosen the two set screws. Step two, flip the tool upside down, lay your flooring on top, rotate the cam. Step three, tighten your set screws, and that's adjusted and ready to go. Alright, now for the front to back adjustment, you've got two set screws again here, one on each side. You're going to loosen those screws, and then this is your adjustment screw. So once those are loosened, you'll adjust that back and forth again until there's just a sliver of daylight between your flooring and this face. Once that's adjusted so that this is not touching in any way the edge of your flooring, then you can go ahead and tighten these two set screws back down. Once that's done, you are ready to start installing your floor. Thanks so much for watching.